So, shoutout sa ating Jaeger and Corona. Our best seller is this one, Rhapsody. Rhapsody, it's sobrang sa Rhapsody.
What?
What do you want, sir?
What?
Yummy!
What?
Nalasing ako. First time tong ganito. So, another cocktail, another day, guys. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa 1 hectare event. Dito to sa QC, no? So, na-invite ulit tayo bilang private bartender. I will try my best again to make their night special, no? So, very exciting to kasi sabi nila para kang nasa ibang bansa. Tara, puntahan natin sila. Si Sir Justin, the bartender.
Sobrang ganda pala dito sa loob guys, hagdan pa lang pang mansion na eh. Tara, samahan niyo ako pumunta dun sa bar. Nag-setup na agad ako ng bar pagdating ko.
So guys, this video pala is sponsored by Jaeger and Corona. So shoutout sa ating Jaeger and Corona. So itong dalawang cocktail is Jaeger and Corona. So ito papakita ko sa inyo yung binigay na alak sa atin. So ito makikita mo, puro Corona. Maraming salamat sa Corona. And this one Jaeger. Corona and Jaeger. Big shoutout sa Jaeger and Corona.
Kung gusto mo ng ganitong sponsorship sa next event nyo, PM mo lang ako.
Tingnan natin guys, ito. So this one is yung ating Rhapsody. It contains Jägermeister, Coke, energy drink, and pineapple. And this one naman is Harmony. Jaeger, Sprite, and the London Juice. So maya may order na dito. Very excited for this. Our best seller is this one, Rhapsody. Yes. Rhapsody, it's sobrang sa Rhapsody.
What?
Say hi. How about you?
Are you from China?
Say hi to my vlog. Yes.
At unti-unti na nga dumating yung ibang mga bisita.
Do you want some extra shot? Extra shot.
That'd be great.
What's your name?
I'm your Gana. I'm Iris.
Just
Nice to meet you.
jump to the button. Friends, what? Harmony. If you taste it, you will feel the harmony and the vibe. Mararamdaman mo yung harmony ng alak. So, harmony. What do you want, sir?
What?
Yes, yes.
Yummy!
What?
And after our event, nag-close na rin ako ng bar.
So ngayon guys, kakatapos lang ng ating private event, no? Sobrang daming guests. Sir Julian,
Justin, thank you so much for coming.
thank you so much.
Thanks, man.
And share my birthday.
Thank you.
Thank you, brother.
Thanks,
Next
man.
time ulit.
Follow Justin, the bartender.
Kakatapos lang ng ating event, no? Nalasing ako. First time tong ganito. So, kung gusto nyo pa ng ganitong content, comment nyo, Jägermeister. Itutuloy natin yung ganitong content. Comment section. Thank you. Meron pa itong next.